Let's get started, okay?
Okay. Oh yeah, I finished the homework.
Yeah, you can send to me if you like. You know how to zip it, right? Compress it, right? For compression, file compression, you know how to do it?
Was it in downloads? No, it wasn't.
How to zip it? You know how to zip it? Like, say right here, I have a PDF file, right? And then you just need to send to archive, and then you will create a compression file, a zip file, and then you can send the zip file to me. Instead of sending file one by one, you can zip the whole thing. This, for example, here are two files.
I don't have that, but
you should have that. You should have that in your window. You should have that. Or
what is it called?
It actually you just like come to a file folder.
I'll share my screen.
Right click. Right click and move down to, right click on this one, and then left click and then send to archive.
Oh, okay.
Windows should all have that.
I'll share my screen.
What? Oh yeah, okay, you share your screen.
Okay, right here, chapter 1 homework.
Right, whatever.
And then send to
archive. The zip compressed folder, yes.
But this is WinZip.
Yeah, that's a WinZip. You can send that file actually. Okay, you can delete that one. Actually, you just send one file. That's actually, you don't need to zip it. So you go up one level.
Oh wait.
So for example, you go up one level, right? Go up one level.
Oh, this?
Yeah, and then zip the chapter 1. The whole thing. Send to.
I don't like using WinZip because you need to pay for it, and I don't have it.
Yeah. Okay. Now that's the way it did. Now, let me share. You stop sharing. I told you the PG.
Stop sharing. Okay.
So you don't like WinZip, you can go to PZip.
Well, let me on it.
PZip is actually easy. It's just P, right? Greenpeace P. PZip. And then you just like pzip.org. Click here.
I just uninstalled WinZip, so it shouldn't do that next time.
No need. It will override it. You don't need to uninstall the WinZip. And then now you click download PZip. And then when you install it, associate with AV file, then it will take over.
Okay, so PZip. Wait, why don't you use WinZip?
What?
Why can't I use WinZip?
You can use WinZip, but that's what you say. You don't like the WinZip. For
me, not WinZip, 7-zip.
7-zip is also okay. To me, it's the same. PZip can read whatever file. 7-zip, zip. It's a standard. Zip is a file compression standard. So for me, this PZip work quite well for me.
Okay. Wait, so you can't uninstall WinZip?
There is no need for you to uninstall WinZip. At least there's something there.
Oh, okay.
There's no need to do that.
So wait.
Is that okay?
So should I get PZip?
Yeah, for me, it worked quite well actually.
PZip. Okay.
Okay, I think you can play around the PZip data, okay? Let's get started for chapter 2. Is that okay?
Yeah. There wasn't a lot of homework. You just said to read it and...
Yeah. The chapter 1 homework is easy, actually. And then probably the first 5 chapters homework you all easy. Until 6, 7, 8 start to become more difficult. And besides, this one is a introduction to Java course. Shouldn't be that hard, okay?
Yeah. Okay, so I got PZip, so extract or open as archive.
You share your screen again. I don't actually get it.
So this one?
Yeah, you to add to archive. You can also send to, you will do the same thing. So send to, gotta click OK, just click OK.
Okay.
At the bottom, yeah. You see you have that one, right?
Uh-huh.
Now you try to extract it. Say you right click, and then right click. You just do right click, and then like pzip, and then extract. Yeah, hit it. Okay, and then you actually hit OK.
Okay.
Yeah, hit OK. Yeah, and
Which
then
one?
go to the chapter 1.
This one?
Yeah, it's inside there, right?
Uh-huh.
It actually override this one, but it's okay now. So you try to send that zip file to me, for example.
This one?
Yeah, you just actually no, you go to your Facebook. Go to your Facebook, right? And then you attach it right here. But the first one, no, not like this, not like this. You look at your messenger, the first one, the first icon. Click on the first icon.
Okay, let me move to stop.
The other side, left hand side, first icon.
I have to move it up again. Okay, this one?
No, not that one. Let me see. No, the one on the left. The dev first one. Dev, not right. Dev, yeah. Yeah, F file, yeah. And then you go to your file directory.
Why can't I just send it to like the file?
Yeah, the chapter 1.
Yeah, why can't I just send the file folder?
No, actually, I want you to exercise on the zip file. Click on the zip. Yes, open. Later probably you need to, and then hit return. Because later you might need to send like 20 files at a time. So you need to exercise that.
Okay.
Okay, now you start sharing screen. Let me share my screen, okay? See if I see it. Okay.
So
Now let me share my screen.
Should I move the chapter 1 zip into the chapter 1?
No, that's fine over there. I will show you later, okay?
Or should I just delete it?
No, you actually, usually I will back up. Now let me check, okay? Check if your file comes. No, not here, not on this account. Let me see. So right here, I see your file. Okay, I got this chapter 1, right?
Yeah.
So I just download it to somewhere I like, right? For example, I move to, let me see, this, let me see, here, introduction to Java. No, introduction to Java, and then here is, okay. And then I actually save here, right? After saving it, I can show folder. So I actually see right here, right? And then actually I can open with pzip. And then I do extract here. So I see a chapter 1, actually. I don't need this one now. I see a chapter 1, I go into here. There's a chapter 1. Your file is over here, right? Then I can get 2 files at a time, not 1 file at a time. To your question, actually, usually for my case, for my case, for example, let me show you. Right here. Usually what I did is, see here, I have the EC Learning channel review course, and I pass FRQ, right? And for example, in this different pass FRQ thing, I actually, it's not here. Let me show you different. That's actually a file. So pass FRQ, this computer science. I have this like 2009 FRQ, 2010 FRQ, 2018 FRQ. Right? So each time, for example, I zip like this, I send to archive, and this one actually will bring up pzip. because the zip file actually associated with pzip. So Windows will automatically bring it up, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I don't do it this time. I did it before, but I save all of my past zip over here.
Oh, okay.
So what happened is like, say, for example, I would like to send you that depends on whether you would like to share the file with other people or not.
So like you can send the whole folder?
Actually, for example, like, okay, today you asked me for, for example, today you asked me for the 2009 FRQ, something like that. So what I will do is actually just come here, first one, and then I go to like the location, the review codes for AP, and then here, come here, and then wait, it's not image file. I should click all file. So 2009 FRQ, and I just hit this, and I can share the file with you.
Oh, okay.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that actually I give you the whole bunch of file, and then let's look at the 2009. Then the 2009 FRQ actually the organization of the file is year 2009. Go down. There's a question one. Question one has a whole set of the FRQ question one. Here we have the question two, question three. Question two is obsolete, so we don't include it. Question four, and then they are FRQ questions. So here is the College Board FRQ questions. So that's a whole set. And instead of I send you file one by one, actually that's not convenient. Sometimes the student want everything. Is that okay?
So you can't send folders, but you can send.
You can send, if you send folder, you will have to send file one by one. But if you send the zip file, it is the whole folder.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.